Right, we done 3 rips on tannalized timber, 4 mil at a time, and it just, on the beast, it went down a whole battery. But I think you're supposed to use this beach with a 4A.
Got a 5,
No, I've got a 5A. Look at this beast of a battery. So I'm putting that bad boy in. Oh, oh. No, it is quite heavy. It is quite heavy, but I'm gonna try more power as needed. 4 millimeters again, lads.
Still 4.
Look at them knots and the tannalized timber.
Easy now.
That's 3 passes. 4 passes. Oh, the beast is working.
There you go.
Passes.
Cannot believe it.
But it's not jerking, is it? Because the power is so good in that.
It's just
last one. 7 passes, lads, 4 mil a time.
all the sawdust. Anyone got any rabbits?
Tannalized timber and stuff. The 40 volt 2A, not powerful enough for the beast.
What's that gone down to?
This is the...
It's not even gone down.
It's full, right? This one went down in 3 passes and it was juttering on the knots. That's a
double
2A.
that.
That's a 5A. It's big, but it's powerful and it's got a lot of charge. Okay, lads, come back for some more videos later.